Okay, just a quick video today of how to change the clock in the Nissan NV400. It might work on the Renault Master or the Vauxhall Movano because they're on the same platform. Today we're in a 2016 Nissan NV400. I need to change the time. I need to go back an hour. So I've got the ignition on. We're going to use these two buttons here on the right hand stalk. So we need to press up or down to get to where we want to be. So I'm going to press up, set clock, and then we need to press the bottom button and we hold that in until the hour flashes, and then we need to press the top button. We hold that in to set the hour, so keep clicking through until you've got the right hour. So I want 13. Now if you need to change the minutes, you go back to the stalk, you press the bottom button, you hold that in until the minutes flash, and then if you need to change the minutes, it's the same again, you press the top button on the stalk. But we finish now, so I'm going to press the bottom button, we hold it in till it stops flashing, and that's the clock changed. Now to get back to the main menu on your dash, either button, up or down to wherever you want to go. I'll leave mine there. Ignition off. Done.